Okay, admittingly, this video is just really me sanding, but not at the end of this video, but the next video, I will be at this point here. But in this video, I show you some of the issues that I've run into that's taken me so long in order to get to this stage. So, stick with me. For those of you that have been following along, thank you very much. The end is near. So I wanted to take a minute and show some of the challenges I've been dealing with on this gel coat fiberglass stuff. I don't know how well this camera's gonna pick it up, but these pockets that open up here when you just sand a little bit have been happening all over the car. These little pockets now need to be filled because there's no way you're gonna paint over these because they're not gonna fill in. And they happen over here. I got a bunch right here. I got a bunch right there. All around there. And then on, I don't know, the edge or the seam, these cavities are present. And that needs to be filled. And there's a couple of more around here and around here. And they present themselves with just a little bit of sanding. And that has been the case
all over that car. Just a little bit of sanding, especially on these wheel wells on the bottom. A little bit of sanding and all these cavities open up that have to be filled and then sanded again. You do a little more sanding and more of them open up, especially around the hood here. Definitely around that cockpit area right there. Sand that edge just a little bit and you get these pockets. Somewhere as big I could put my pinky in there. So you gotta stop what you're doing and then fill those up, or at least finish sanding, go back, fill them, sand it again. It has really slowed me down. I don't know if that's the case with other builders, but it has really been the case with me. This is the deck lid or trunk, and I still gotta do the hood and the doors, all 220, and then I'll be ready for some primer. Now for these holes that opened up, I'm sure that this 3M skim coat is going to be fine to fill those in. But something like, you know, that right there, I mean, that could be considered structural. And I may have to go with the high strength repair filler. Fiberglass strands. I don't know. Well, if we look at this door, in having to build up this horn right here, this is all filler because the door was real short. In having to build this up and sand it down, I've created a little ledge here, and I gotta fill that in so this is nice and smooth and flat. And then it looks like I got a little crazy with the sander. That's right through to the fiberglass. And also on the end. Yeah, got a rough spot right there. Really needs to be filled in with the filler. No problem.